To spin your sprite like this, first take turn 15 degree. It will help your sprite to turn in the degrees of 15. Take when flag click pressed. To repeat your sprite again and again, so I'm gonna take forever. It will help my sprite to repeat it again and again. To slow down your sprite, wait 1 second and change it to 0.1 second. Now the sprite will spin like this. Now I'm gonna go to the current. So first in the motions, I'm gonna take glide 1 second randomly. It will glide my sprite in the randomly position. And then forever helps my sprite to repeat again and again. As usually we take when flag click press. For more new contents, keep watching to my channel.